just to turn it on, you press this button here.
Okay.
And then to change the gears, you press either plus or minus. So the most economical one to use is the eco mode.
Thank you. Yeah, okay.
And then if you're struggling a little bit, you can go into tour mode, and then there's a sport mode. And for going up a difficult hill, you go into the turbo.
Okay.
And then if you just want to change back to the eco, you just press this minus button a few times.
Oh, it's very
you back
straightforward.
To eco.
That's excellent. Okay.
You have a little bell if you want to warn anyone when you're coming.
Okay.
And then you have all the gears, and you just press.
So what would you recommend that normal for the gears then?
Well, you see, the thing is with gears, it depends on how fit you are.
Okay.
And the fitter you are,
Okay.
the higher you can go.
Right.
You know?
Okay. Fine.
So that's
So for
kind of
for
personal
somebody
choice.
who hasn't biked for a long time.
I'd keep it in a low gear for the moment,
Absolutely.
and then
Oh, lovely.
as
Thank
you
you very
get the
much.
hang of it, then you can
Yeah.
run up through the gears.
Wonderful.
And you can go about 30 kilometres now,
Excellent.
and you have it now between 10 and 5 o'clock. As long as you
Excellent,
have it here, if you come back around 4:45.
Perfect. In one piece.
Hopefully, yeah.
Lovely. Thanks a
So
lot.
enjoy
Kirsty.
your day now.
Oh, I will. Thanks very
Okay.
much indeed. That's
Have a
brilliant.
good day.
Thank
Bye.
you.